There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? Y'all already know it's an Amazon Unice hair wig. Today, girl, this comes with some combs, an elastic removable band, some silicone adjustable straps. Girl, it comes with a drawstring, okay? They are about to make sure that you have all the security you need. Plus, it's a pre-everything unit, y'all, okay?
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. I've been worrying about my mental health, cause when I'm alone, I keep checking my phone, yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on, while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
Okay, so y'all see how crisp and clean this part is? Girl, I'm telling y'all, Amazon Prime, get you a Unice hair wig on time. Unice Hair has some really affordable units, you guys. Y'all know I stay telling y'all that, but I'm just here to say this is one of the best vendors on Amazon. Who would have thought that Amazon would be selling wigs? Like, Amazon sell a little bit of everything, okay? You can get your whole entire groceries, your beauty goods, your outfits, your wardrobe. Girl, you can get everything from Amazon. Amazon is one of those online malls, girl, okay? Listen, let me tell y'all, check out Unice Hair. They have plenty of units that I'm pretty sure you ladies will love. Plus, they got the drawstring. So if you're looking for them drawstring units, girl, then they got you covered this week. It's pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, okay? Pre-approved, okay? Pre-thinned out, okay? Comes with the baby hairs already done up, okay? All you gotta do is just style this to your liking. So I did go ahead and wash it because I do prefer to wash all of my curly units, loose wave units, water wave units like this one. Here, I do prefer to wash them. That way the curls just show differently. Now, of course, there'll be times when you may not be able to wash it, but this was one of those times where I was able to wash it, and I just decided I was gonna add a little bit more body, a little bit more curl to the unit. Now, this is just doing extra. So if you like them to be loose water waves, then you can leave it as is. I do like to take the spiral curler, the wand, and I do like to curl it. I just twirl the hair on and then pull it right off. There's really no resting period when doing this method because you don't want the curls too tight. And you can take more or less than amount of hair. It just depends on yourself. But you can always separate the hair if you do put a lot on the barrel and just fluff it out. This hair curl is super easy. This is 24 inches. I do believe this is a 7x5 unit I'll put all the specs for this unit down below, but I was really happy when I seen that they came with 3 combs, because girl, we do not need anybody skimping on those combs. The more combs, the merrier, okay? Plus it gives you a black elastic band that you can also remove, an adjustable strap, okay girl, and a drawstring. So when I tell y'all are getting secured units, you're getting secured units. Plus this is one of those units where you don't have to do anything. Now I really didn't need to use the concealer for my part, but I just wanted to make sure that it just matched up with my own skin complexion. Plenty of parting space. The hair is actually very, very nice luster hair. And girl, let me tell you, the fit is perfect. Make sure you check out Unice Hair, girl. They have you covered. They sell on Amazon. They have their own website, AliExpress, wherever. Just check them out. I'll make sure to link everything in the description box below for Unice Hair. Final look, you guys. Let me know what you think of these curls, these loose waves, these pre-made waves. Let me know what you think. Have you ever tried a Unice hair wig before? If not, then I definitely would say check them out. Amazing, affordable prices. I'll link everything down below. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.